Hello friends, Shekhar here. Today I am reviewing a new product called Instant Guru. This is a web-based software which creates fully automatic 100% done for you Zvizu and Warriors Plus affiliate review site that ranks themselves on Google. This is preloaded site with regular new reviews for the top converting Zvizu and Warrior Plus products each week. Videos, bonuses, everything done for you to bank commission with no work from you. And daily original authority content to rank your site on Google for traffic. What are you getting in this? Done for you site creation, just one click create the entire affiliate marketing authority site from scratch. Done for you original content created and posted to your site every day. Done for your monetization with regular review. The top converting Zevizu and Warrior Plus product each week. Done for you. Search traffic, rank higher and higher on Google authority every day. Become an instant internet market and guru and start making Zebizu and Warrior Plus commission all with one click. 100% newbie friendly and get your slice of booming industry internet marketing. It's a good rush now. Don't miss it out. This is ultimate done for you software which you have not seen earlier. What just three steps. Logging to your web-based software, choose a name for your site, enter your Zevizu and Warrior Plus ID, and that will create everything. You don't have to worry about anything. And these Zevizu and Warrior Plus affiliate accounts are free. You can create just within few minutes and then click the button to create my site. That's all you have to do. And everything will be taken care by this software. Why this is so effective? Because with daily content, Google ranking plus traffic and easy Zevizu Warrior plus affiliate commission with just one click. This is the basic trick to rank your site much higher on Google as well as uh, YouTube. A whole site all about the latest internet marketing news, designed and created and hosted for you with great quality daily content that your visitor will love and done for you posted to your site every single day. Totally original content ranking your site on Google 24/7 free search traffic. A completely done for you monetization with review of the top converting Zevizu and Warrior Plus products posted for every week. And the good thing is the this software has everything which is done for you. You don't have to do anything excepting just as I told you earlier, fill up your Zevizu and Warrior Plus product. That's all. Again, I'm repeating the job to be done for you. Just choose a name plus domain for your site. You can call your site anything you want and it will be hosted. Uh, No need you to pay for any hosting fees. No complicated setup. Want to use your own domain? You can do even that. Enter the details of your affiliate IDs, which you can, if you have, it's good. If you don't have, you can get it in Nifi. Then click the button to create your website and it will be all done for you. Site is designed, created and hosted for you. Now you will start receiving original content all about the latest internet marketing news created for you. High quality content your visitor will love, all posted for you every day on full autopilot. Plus, you will start seeing the review posted on JVZoo and Warrior Plus product created and posted for you. So you make commission. Plus, this product comes with 30 days money back guarantee. But I'm sure that this product is so good, you will love it. Just imagine having an entire website created, designed, and fully hosted for you with just one click. Imagine having daily original content. Imagine seeing your website rank on Google every day much higher. Imagine getting a slice of the internet marketing gold rush as a successful affiliate. Imagine how you would feel having successful authority site, enjoying the rewards that comes with bringing an internet marketing group. Imagine how you could enjoy your free time and your instant guru does literally everything for you. Just think how you feel putting your feet up and watching commission generated on these affiliate accounts. This is how it works. One click newbie friendly setup. Literally, all you need to do is enter your Zavizo and Warrior Plus affiliate ID and click the button. Get daily high quality content for your site on total autopilot. Once you have chosen your niche, you will get high quality content posted to your site for you. You will never have to make any content again yourself. 100% automatic site monetization as a Zavizo Warrior Plus affiliate. You need to do to enter your Zavizo affiliate IDs, and that's all is the job for you. The product has designed in a way that you get Google ranking 100% automatic because of the content which is being posted to your site on daily basis. There are literally hundreds of design options. If you don't like a particular design, you can choose some other design and change it with just few clicks. You can also add banner ads and opt-in form wherever you want. This facility is very easy to use in this product. It is fully hosted. You don't have to worry about any hosting charges hereafter. You can even use your own domain. That's so you can tell them an instant guru will use it. There's certain fast action bonus which will go with the instant guru. That is Avizu conversion secret. Number two is free bonuses Warrior Plus sales explosion. Number three is Guru Niche Blueprint. Now these are the bonuses you will get if you buy this product through my link. Access 0 to 100 in 24 hours. This is the access. This is a separate product by itself. Then 2 HQ traffic source to use with Instant Guru. This is the bonus. Then 30 plus HQ bonuses to give away. This is the bonus. And access the lockdown formula. This is a separate product by itself where you can easily make three figure to four figure every day if you use this product lockdown formula. This is a proven product and it is still working very well. Now let us see the upgrades for this product. First is Auto One. This is a pro version where everything will be unlimited. There is no restriction. Number two is Daily Profit, where you are given a different streams of income and you can start making more money. Then third bonus, Auto 3, which is done for you. You don't have to do anything. Everything will be done for you, but it will cost you $197. Then advanced training, where you get much bigger platform where you can use this product for generating at least 3 to 4 times the normal commission. Then there is a agency right, Auto 5, and then lastly white label right, where you can sell this product for as your own. So friends, what are you waiting for? This product has 30 days 100% satisfactory money back guarantee. So you use it. If you really don't like it, which I feel is unlikely, then you get all your uh, payment refunded. So just click the link below to get this awesome product and my huge bonuses along with this. Good luck. Thank you.